Hey everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Britt here on YouTube, and today I am here with Home Aglow and I am going to be sharing some summer cleaning. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an after pool party clean with me. Watch how I get my backyard cleaned up from a party, and I will also be sharing some tips and hacks on how to get your grill ready for the summer season. Let's go ahead and dive in. Last weekend, we had our friends and family over to celebrate my twins' 8th grade promotion. We had a pool party, which was a lot of fun, but now it is time to get the backyard cleaned up. First, I like to grab a trash bag from inside, go around the backyard, and make sure any trash that was left out is picked up after the party. Then I like to get a basket and I pick up any towels that were left out to dry and anything else that needs to go inside, like sunscreen. Sunscreen was left on the table, and here where we live in Arizona, it gets extremely hot, so I don't like to leave the sunscreen outside. Having a basket and just going around collecting everything in the yard prevents me from going in and out of the house. So that's why I like to use this method. Once I have collected everything, then I just take it inside at one time. Next, I get some all-purpose cleaning spray and a couple of rags, and I go around and I clean up the tables, and I also wipe down the chairs. This is because sometimes at parties, drinks like juice or soda get spilled and they can get sticky over time. And since we are in the warmer season, I do not want ants around, so I make sure to wipe down all of the furniture. So that is why I use an all-purpose cleaning spray to get any of the sticky residue off from the chairs and the tables. My trick to cleaning the outdoor couches and sectionals is to use a brush with rubber bristles. The furniture out here tends to get very dirty and dusty, and this rubber brush can easily sweep away all of the dust and leaves that might be on the surface. I did clean the furniture before the guests came over for the party, but like I said, it does get dirty and dusty out here pretty quickly, so I went ahead and wiped down all of the fabric furniture again. Moving on to the floors, I am just grabbing my handy cordless vacuum to vacuum our outdoor rug. It does a great job at picking up all of the dirt and dust and even the smaller leaves in this area. We did have a cornhole set available for our guests to use during the party, and I wanted to make sure to get it put up and put away in the shade. I don't like to leave it outside during the summer because the sun just gets very hot and eats away at the top of the cornhole boards. So I wanted to get that put away. We did have a cooler filled with drinks for our guests to have while they were at our house, and I wanted to make sure to get the cooler nice and clean before putting it away in storage. I like to clean the cooler by using the hose with some water, some dish soap, and a sponge. Just get it nice and soapy, scrub it out, and then I like to turn it over, but leave the lid open so that the air can get in there and let the cooler completely air dry before putting it away. Next is to clean the big sliding glass doors. This is how our guests got in and out of the home from the pool and then inside. And there was a lot of fingerprints and dog paw prints and drool all over the windows, so I wanted to get them clean. My favorite way to clean large glass sliding doors or even large windows is to use a flat mop that comes with a microfiber attachment and then your favorite glass cleaner. This helps me reach the very top of the glass so that no spot is missed. Now that it is summer, it is grilling season in our home. We love to spend the weekends grilling and hanging out by the pool. Our grill really needed to be deep cleaned, so I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you to help you get your grill ready for the season. To clean the outside of the grill, I did spray the entire surface with a degreaser and some spray dish soap. I filled a bucket of hot water and some more dish soap and grabbed a sponge. The degreaser mixed with the dish soap and hot soapy water really cut down on the grease and dust on the exterior of the grill. Now let's move on to cleaning the inside of the grill. I cleaned my grill while it was cool, not hot. The first step to cleaning the inside of your grill is to fill a spray bottle with vinegar. Spray the vinegar all over the grill grates and let it sit for a few minutes. While the vinegar is sitting on the grates, you are going to get some heavy-duty aluminum foil. Take a sheet and roll it into a ball. Then you are going to scrub the grates with the aluminum foil, and you can just see all of the burnt, caked on food and grease come off of the grill grates. The vinegar acts as a degreaser, and your aluminum foil is very hard and abrasive and can get the cakes on food and grease removed from the grates. Another way you can clean the grates is by getting a lemon and some sea salt. Cut your lemon in half and dip one half into your sea salt and rub the lemon and salt against the grates. The salt can add that extra scrub while the lemon helps cut down the grease as well. You may need to re-dip your lemon in the salt a couple times and then use the other half of your lemon depending on how dirty your grates are and how big your grill is. These are some more natural ways that you can use to clean the inside of your grill. Want help cleaning up after your next party? Home Aglow is here and available all summer long to help you get your home back in order. Book an affordable cleaner in your area in minutes. Well friends, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you got lots of motivation and inspiration. If you'd like to see more cleaning videos like this one, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.